Hi, I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles, and we are at 200 North San Fernando Road. Alta Lofts, the amazing industrial live-work lofts here right in the middle of Los Angeles. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. We're by the 5 freeway and the 110 freeway. And we're also near Elysian Park, Dodger Stadium, and very close to downtown Los Angeles. So that's why Alta Lofts is so popular, in addition to it being, bigger, nicer, cheaper lofts. So today we're having the open house for the biggest Alta loft for sale in years. It's also perfect timing because it's one of the best deals. I would say it is the best deal on a big loft in Los Angeles. 1,700 square feet for this loft. So we're going to take a quick look around the building first, and then we're going to do the open house, and we're going to show you the inside of it later today at 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. So from the outside you can see it's a big building. It's very nice. This was the Fuller Paint Company. The Fuller Paint Company in 1925 this was built, and you can see the architecture is much nicer, much more special than most industrial buildings. This is the reason for that is because it was built by the same architect who did some very fancy buildings, such as the Wiltern Theater in Hollywood. So that's why, and plus this was done during the Roaring 20s. So they spent a inordinate, extreme amount of money when they built this building, much more than would normally be expected from an industrial warehouse and office space, mostly warehouse. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. You can see the sculpture, this concrete molding that they did that was very ornate. It's got at the top, it's got gargoyles from a regular phone camera you can't see, but each one of those gargoyles has a face up there. There's also a new addition, the top 2 floors. You can see part of it there. It's the gray metallic part here. It's a Sunday. This is a very vibrant, busy street normally, San Fernando Road. This road goes all the way from here in the middle of Los Angeles all the way to Burbank, Glendale area. There you can see the park. There's new parks there, and here's what here is going to be another park right here, and that Lincoln Heights Jail over there is actually going to be turned into an amazing loft building. The Lincoln Heights Jail is going to be the Lincoln Heights Jail Lofts. You got 2 of the largest thrift stores in Los Angeles right here. The large Goodwill store here, and even larger St. Vincent de Paul store down there. So let's just cross the street so you can see the outside of this unit here. And then again at 2:30 p.m. today we're going to be going inside the unit to show that to you. Open house. So these units here are some of the biggest ones. These are all over 1,200 square feet on the bottom floor here. So if you like a nice big loft, with most of them have a double access, easy from the street and from the interior, that has a courtyard with landscaping. But let me get a better shot for you here. That's unit 115 right there. You see it's got the big roll-up windows, warehouse-style roll-up windowed door there. And the 2 windows above it are a part of the same unit, because that's how high the extra high ceiling is, 17-foot high ceiling there. This is free parking on the street, plus it's got gated parking. It's got its own parking space in the structure there. It also has gated covered guest parking, in addition to all this free parking on the street here. So that pretty much tells you about the building. I just wanted to quickly thank a few people. You'll notice the street here is clean. And I want to thank a few people for getting the street so clean, because the City of Los Angeles street cleaner does not come here. So it's up to the people in the building to get it clean. And there's people on our team and people, home sellers, that I'd like to thank for supporting that cleaning that goes on, because every time we're in escrow for a place, before, during, and after escrow, we are cleaning the streets. Our team here is cleaning the streets all around the building, not just there, but across the streets as well. So it's quite a bit of cleaning that gets done. And I just wanted to thank all the people that have helped support the Corey Chambers team. Tetsuya, Joyce, Brian, and Chris, Thomas, Michael, Benjamin, Olga, Ariel, Edgar, Daniel, Tammy, and Brian, Chris, KT, Harvey, Aaron, Steve, Portia, Emmy, Phil, Chad and Larry, Hank and Sonia. So thank all of you for also for me the opportunity to live here. It's been a great investment, and a great investment of my time and love and passion as well. So thank you to all of my neighbors, and come join us today at 2:30 p.m. Sunday, September 22nd. I think it's the 22nd. It's definitely Sunday at 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 today. It's a special open house, Alta Lofts, Unit 115, and we're at 200 North San Fernando Road in Los Angeles. See you soon. Bye-bye. To find out how much your home is worth, call me at 213-880-9910.